We are coming to you live from the national capital. We are in the heart of Delhi. Right behind me is India Gate, and the reason why we are here today is because a few moments ago, the citizens of Delhi were out on the streets protesting. Guess what their concern is? They are demanding right data from the government on the air quality index, and that is what they are talking about. Protesting, seeking the right to breathe. These are citizens not affiliated to any political party, though we did have a leader of the Aam Aadmi Party here, but the citizens, by and large, residents, parents, students from Delhi city were here demanding the right to clean air. And the reason why they're so upset this time around is because never in the past have they felt betrayed, in the sense that the AQI data seems to be fudged. The government is not being transparent, is what these protesters were saying. Anil, children are getting detained right here. Capital.
और जब WHO बोल रही है कि
And the news coming in at this point, of course, has got to do with the fact that all of these protestants have been detained. In fact, visuals on your screens are of the protesters. Like I said, there were parents, there were residents of Delhi, there were students. Some of them were even foreign tourists who were here and have now been taken away by the Delhi police. These visuals are from a few moments ago with the Delhi police, in fact, saying that this permission for this protest was never given. I sent in these reports earlier from Ground Zero. Let's take a look. High drama right now at India Gate at this point in time, where you see protesters are getting detained. Citizens not affiliated to any political party. But the Delhi police had said that they are going to be detaining the protesters. Take a look at these pictures coming in of the detentions that have started at this point in time, with the buses getting filled up as the protesters are getting taken away by the Delhi police at this point in time. They protested for about 30 odd minutes. Also, a big group of citizens who are now getting detained. Right to breathe, right to correct data on the quality of the air. AQI is what is now being said. The Delhi police has said that they're not going to be allowed to protest, and that's the reason why there's massive chaos and confusion at this point in time. Right now at the India Gate, Mansingh Road, which is of course a main arterial road of central Delhi. And the police has clearly said that this protest was never allowed. Protesters could go ahead to Jantar Mantar, which is in the vicinity, and protest there, but that hadn't happened. We're going to in fact show you more pictures coming in right now of the police. They're detaining the protesters, as you can see in these pictures. The Delhi police here warning the protesters right behind me. I'd like Anil to in fact show you those pictures of the protesters who've gathered. Of course, they belong to various citizens groups, and these protesters have come together as an effort to put the spotlight on the issue of pollution. But the permission by the Delhi police was not given, and they continue to protest right here in the national capital. As you can see these pictures, this is the India Gate area of Delhi, and it's highly protected is what the Delhi police is saying. However, these cries and these protests have been in fact organized and raised by a group of citizens who have now come together, saying that this is an issue that needs much importance, and this time around the government seems to be brushing the problem under the carpet, and that's what the problem really is. However, warnings continue to come in from the Delhi police at this point in time, and there is a possibility of them getting detained as well, because this protest here and the gathering of more than 5 people has not been allowed. Behind me is the Delhi police, in fact, who are issuing warnings to these citizens, asking them to disperse immediately and protest in Jantar Mantar if they wish to. But right here, the protests continue, and the numbers are only swelling up at this point in time.